Hi guys, what's up? It's Molly and welcome back to my fitness channel. Today's video is going to be a fitness vlog, which I'm so excited about. It's going to be like a late night fitness vlog because I am so busy recently that today I just didn't get around to going to my second gym session until it's gonna be like 11, 12 o'clock that I end up going down to the gym. So I just thought I would vlog and show you guys like real life for me. Sometimes, you know, you get really busy and you don't make it to what your original plan is, but that is okay. We're gonna make it work, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I stick with my goals even if things switch up in my routine, because that happens a lot. So I thought it would be a very authentic vlog, that's all. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have literally vlogmas coming on this channel, which means everyday uploads until Christmas, which I'm so excited about. It's all over here. It is a lot, as you can see. So I have a lot coming, so make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't already, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like fitness vlogs, because then I'll know to do more. I'm really excited because today's video sponsor is 30 Day Fitness, which if you guys didn't know what 30 Day Fitness is, it's an app that's available in the Apple App Store. I thought it would be perfect for this video because it is all about finding time to work out even if you're really busy. So for me, these next couple of months are insane. I feel like I have no free time at all. If you guys didn't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I was just recently traveling and I just got back not too long ago, and I felt like I had no time to do anything. And while I was on vacation, I actually used 30 Day Fitness. I started a challenge. They have challenges on the app for all different types of things, and I started one for cardio. So it was nice because it was just like the workouts were like 10 to 15 minutes, and afterwards I at least felt like I did something, so I didn't feel super gross on vacation, and I could just do them in the hotel room. This is also awesome for like moms, or maybe if you're in college and you don't want to go down to the gym, or you just don't have time to because of finals and studying. I get it. It is hard to make it to the gym. A lot of you guys also always ask me to recommend things to you if you don't have a gym membership, what you should do, and I highly recommend 30 Day Fitness because they give you workouts targeted towards anything that you want to focus on. So for instance, if you want to focus on legs, you can just go to the leg workouts and you can do ones that you want to do. So they make it super easy. It's almost as if there is no room for error. You cannot have an excuse if it's this easy. And the app also has personalized plans. So when you first sign up, you say whether your goal is to gain muscle, to lose fat, or to just become more active. There's tons of personalized plans based on what you want. So I like the fact that they make it personalized for everyone. So if you don't have access to a gym, or you find yourself struggling to be consistent, definitely make sure to check out the link down below to 30 Day Fitness because you guys won't regret it. It's an amazing app. It is so clear and easy to use, and I really think you guys are going to enjoy it. So click the link down below, and thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I just put on this fuzzy warm jacket because it's freezing outside. I'm actually just going to go to my apartment complex gym because right now I am in the middle of filming a 30 days of running a mile video, which I'm so excited for you guys to see. Look at Lulu stretching. I'm so excited for you guys to see the insane transformation because I can already tell a difference in my body and in my endurance from, I'm on day 10, I believe, of running a mile every day. So I've been doing this every single day, you guys, around this time, like 10 o'clock, just going down to my apartment complex gym and getting a mile run in. It only takes 10 minutes, so it's not like the end of the world, but it's annoying that I do it every single day. Before a good video, I will do anything. So I'm gonna go get my workout in right now, and then afterwards I'm gonna share with you guys like my post-workout smoothie and some other products that I really like. Hi guys, I'm sorry my My car is really loud right now. I don't know if this light is like making it better or worse. Like it might just be okay like this. But I just did my workout, just a quick mile run. I didn't film too much of it because I had to film content for my other video, the mile a day video, and there was actually people in there. Normally there's never anyone in my apartment complex gym, so I was like, of course, the one day that I have to film 2 videos in here, like take selfies in the gym for thumbnails, there are people everywhere. But it was a good mile run. I've recently, like, you guys will hear more about it in the video, but recently it's honestly really nice. Also, side note, that you don't, after you work out, you don't have to wait for your car to warm up because you're already warm. But you guys will see more about it in the video. But I used to, when I first started literally 10 days ago, you guys, I couldn't even run a mile in like 9 minutes and 45 seconds, and now I ran that mile, I believe it was like a 7:45, so I already shaved down 2 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard, but like I can do it. Before I like could have never even done this, so it's actually crazy to me. I'm just like so excited for this video because it's crazy to me what can happen in literally just 10 days. But we're in my car right now because I need to go get shampoo and conditioner at Walmart really quickly, and I might get frozen strawberries too. We are going to be in and out of there, but I just need to get a couple of really quick things, so hopefully the lines and the people aren't too crazy because I have more editing to do tonight and I want to talk to you guys about some things. So yeah, we're gonna go right now. You guys are making me procrastinate. Terrible lighting, but I just wanted to document to all of you out there that I was in and out in 6 minutes. 6 minutes, and it's really busy, so props to me. I'm on my way home. I am so hungry. I can't wait to have my protein smoothie, and I can't wait to share it with you guys because it's literally like dessert, so just wait. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up here, you guys, because you're supposed to have it within 30 minutes of your workout, so I want to make sure that I get it in at the right time. But it's so easy and it is pretty sweet. I will say that just in case you want to make this at home. It is pretty sweet, but I like it that way because it's kind of like a dessert. The first thing I did was add some ice already into the blender, and then here's all the ingredients. So we have vanilla almond milk. You could use oat milk, coconut milk, whatever you have. This is just what I have in my fridge right now. The key ingredient is the protein, of course. I have my whey protein here from Alani Nu. This one is in the confetti cake. I want to try out more flavors from them. I think I'm going to order a couple tonight just to try out some other new ones because they have so many on their website. It's honestly overwhelming. This is the first one that I've ever tried from them and it did not disappoint. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And then I also have some coconut milk yogurt here. This one is my favorite, the strawberry banana, which is very fitting because the 2 fruits that we're gonna add in are strawberries and bananas. The bananas are gonna give it a nice creamy texture, and then the strawberries will give it that fruity tropical feel, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these ingredients into the blender, and then we just blend it up. It takes like 2 minutes. Super simple. You guys are gonna see it's like a really pretty pink color, super thick and creamy. It's amazing. So I just finished making the smoothie. Do you guys see what this looks like? It's literally a dream. I swear this protein powder is one of the first I've ever tried that doesn't ruin everything you put it into. Like, most protein powders taste so gross, and this one literally makes anything taste like a milkshake. I just love the way it looks. Like, doesn't it just look like a milkshake from McDonald's or something? But in actuality, it's just a beautiful protein smoothie. Hi guys, this is real life. I am sitting here in my robe, freshly out of the shower. I have cats bothering me everywhere. I'm sorry about the lighting. I ordered new lights yesterday, so they should be in soon so we can not have this issue anymore of bad lighting. But I just kind of wanted to end off this video and touch base with you guys about something in my life of how I've seen results recently, because lately I feel like everything in my life is changing, and for the first time it's for the better. You guys know I had a really rough year. It was just a lot of changes with my parents and my relationship, and just everything felt like it was going against me. I'm trying to hold my robes that way it stays put, but I kind of got into this mindset of feeling like the victim and feeling like everything was going against me and it was out of my control. And recently I just kind of had something, for some reason, switch in me, like a light switch just went off, and I started thinking differently, and I started to take everything that I was doing and make sure that it had a purpose, and made sure that it was something, everything that I'm doing is to better myself and to get towards my goals. And that goes for everything, not just fitness. It also has to do with my work goals, with my school goals, with my relationship, with pretty much everything in my life. I'm making sure that I'm putting in 110% effort into it. For so long I would just work for one day or go to the gym for one day, and then I would go back to my old habits. And I recently made it a point to break those habits and get them out of my life and start actually going towards my goals, because I sat back and I realized that I was literally just letting my life pass me by, and I wasn't achieving anything that I wanted to. I kept having the same goals over and over again, and I never actually achieved them because I never actually worked towards them. I didn't have consistency. And that's a big topic in today's vlog. I feel like throughout all of it is consistency. It's actually crazy to me, I can't believe it, what consistency can do in your life. And it's literally with everything, not just with working out, but with anything. If you do it consistently, it will get better. And I have really been focusing on that, and I cannot believe the results in my life. I feel like I sound like a motivational speaker right now because I'm just going off the top of my head, but it really is so crazy to me, everything that is getting better day by day. I just feel like things keep getting better, and it all stems down to consistency. For so long I would wonder what is the secret to getting the body that I want, or what is the secret to I don't know, having a successful YouTube channel. I had a moment where I was there is no secret. All it is just putting in the work to get the results. So if you're sitting there wondering what the secret is to weight loss or to anything in life, literally it is just consistency. That's the secret. Which it isn't really a secret much at all, because everyone knows that. It's just that you know it, but you just don't do it because it's hard. But anything you want in life is worth working for it. So if you are sitting out there right now having all of these goals in your head that you feel like you have always had, that you've just never taken the steps to achieve, write down what you have to do every day to get towards your goal and go do it. Stop putting it off until tomorrow. Stop doing it for one day and having good habits for one day and then going back to your bad habits. Stick to it and literally just do it for 7 days and see how crazy the results are, and you will be that will be the motivation in and of itself for you to keep going. I know that this vlog was so random, but I'm honestly just prepping for Vlogmas so much, you guys. I have so much planned. It is overwhelming to the max, and I'm so excited for you guys to see all of the videos. I'm working on so many of them already, so it's gonna be a crazy month, and I'm so excited. And let me know down below if you guys have anything that you want to see last minute that I can add into my schedule. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much to 30 Day Fitness for sponsoring this video. Make sure to click the link down below, you guys, and download the app. It's all about consistency, which I am all for, so make sure to click the link down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon.